Hello everyone, welcome you all to my YouTube channel, and in today's video we are going to see the unboxing of my new adventure camera, which is GoPro Hero. Before we get into this video, I hope you guys are fine and safe. So I have already opened this particular camera in the showroom itself just to see if the camera is turning on and off properly, because after coming home we should not feel like, okay, I should have tried turning it on and off in the showroom only. So I just thought to check the functioning of the camera. So I already opened it. So since the box is already opened, we will just have to take the box and see how and what are the things that we have inside this box. And with the GoPro 9 we get a waterproof case, and this is a really hard case. You don't need to buy a separate case for your GoPro and the stuff related to this camera. It comes with a case. Now we can open this particular case. So inside this case, so here is the user manual. So this user manual has so many pages. I think it covers in all the languages, I guess. So starting from English, Chinese, Japanese, it's there in all the languages. So we can keep this aside. And then you get a sheet where you can have the GoPro stickers, and then steps to mount your camera onto your helmet. They have given the steps how to put the clips and the clamps onto your helmet, and those kind of things they have given in this particular sheet. Actually, we can keep this aside. And what's next in the box? Here is the USB cable with which you can charge your camera, and this is the cable here. I will open it, and the length is pretty much okay. So this is the USB cable, and then we get the mount, the mount which you can attach to your camera or any other parts of your vehicle, or I mean to whichever place you want to attach. They have given this mount. This second one, and then you get a screw, and here comes the battery. The GoPro, there is a clip. This clip can be attached to your mount. You will just have to open this rubber and attach it onto your mount like this. So now it is fixed. So this mount comes with a 3M tape. Once you can remove this 3M tape, and you can attach to onto your helmet or any other thing that you want to mount it. So here comes the mount with the tape, and then the final one in the box. GoPro Hero 9 Black. So in this particular camera, let's see what are the things that we have on this. So onto the right, yes, onto the right of this camera, we have the door, so which you can open by just pulling this particular slot. Actually here we can find a small a gap kind of thing. Once you put your finger onto it and just pull it and release. Once you pull and release, you can see this particular slot where you can put your battery, and below this battery slot you can find a small, I don't know whether you guys can see it properly, there is a small slot for the SD card. So this box doesn't come with an SD card, and we will have to purchase it separately. Here I have bought a SD card which is of 6 GB, 16 GB, and first let's insert this SD card. So the card is inserted and it is seated properly onto the slot. Now we have the battery. So this is GoPro's original one, and yeah, now you can insert the battery. I mean, just see the slot and insert it properly, else you would you can I mean, you might break the pins inside the slot. So check before you insert the battery on onto which side you are inserting it. So insert it properly before you put in it. So now the battery is seated properly onto the slot. Now we can close the door. And one more thing is, below this slot you can see the port through which you can charge this camera. Now we can close the door. Maybe I can show you. So this is a USB type C. You can put it like this. This is the slot, and this one maybe you can connect to a laptop or onto a separate adapter you can attach, and you can charge the camera. I will remove this. The only disadvantage in this particular camera is every time when you want to charge, you have to keep this door open, else we cannot charge. So that is the only disadvantage here. They could have given a small opening here, but on the other hand, with this door completely closed, it becomes waterproof. If there is a small opening, or if you keep this, I mean, instead of this door, if you have some other third party doors for this GoPro 9, it doesn't act as a waterproof camera. Only with this particular, the original door, it acts as the waterproof camera. So we don't have any other way, and we will have to close it. Now the card and the battery both are inserted. Now I'm closing it. Since it is new, the door is a bit tight. Yeah, it is seated now. You can see the power button onto the left of your main screen. So here is the power button. I will turn on. Yes, the camera is turned on now. Yeah. Now on top of the camera, you see the button here. This is the button to start your video recording, or with this button you can click a picture. And this is the main screen, actually the main screen where you can control the settings of this particular camera. You can change the modes and do all those stuffs here, and this is a touch screen. You can see, yeah, we can slide it left, right, and up, and yeah, you can do all the settings here, and connect your GoPro to your mobile as well through this. Once we go to connections, and there are so many things that you can do. Later we can see those things later. And once this is done, yeah, so you can see there is a small screen in the opposite side of the main screen. And here with the screen you will be able to know onto, I mean, whether you are capturing the I mean, whether you fit in the screen or not. With this particular small screen, you will get to know whether you're within the frame or not. So this helps a lot. And here's the lens, the main lens for this camera, and this is detachable. We have to just turn around. I mean, I will have to check how to do this, but this is detachable. And yes, that's it. So one more thing is, you have a clamp at the bottom. Oops. Yeah, if you can see here comes this clamp. So with this clamp you can attach this camera to your selfie sticks, or your to tripod, or whatever it is. You can attach it with this clip, and this is very handy, this feature. I'm turning it off. So let's start with the specifications of the camera that has been mentioned in this box. So this comes with a 20 megapixel lens, and we can shoot 5K 30 frames or 4K 60 frames video, and 1080p 240. And this is waterproof up to 33 feet or 10 meters. and we can control this camera over voice, and we can capture 8 times slow motion videos. And there is data overlays, so it is nothing but we get the speedometer on this camera. I mean, once you fix this onto your helmet or other part, and on the vehicle which you travel, that speed will be showed onto your camera, and you get maps as well. And there is time warp 3.0, and you can do live streaming with 1080p, and you have super photo plus HDR. And there is a raw, I don't know what does raw mean, I will have to explore a bit. And then you get a webcam mode, and there is a touch screen. The main screen is a touch screen. I mean, this is a touch screen through which you can control the settings of this camera. And here comes the main feature, Hyper Smooth 3.0. So the stabilization in this particular action camera is up to next level. So I have bought this camera especially for my moto vlogging, and I'm going to attach this camera to my helmet. So I don't know how I'm going to do that, because I'm going to use a mount, which is a strap mount, which we can install it onto our helmet, and then attach this particular camera onto that mount, onto that strap. Or maybe we can try it out with the M seal. We can take a part of M seal and attach that to our helmet, and to that M seal we will have to stick this particular mount. We will have to attach this mount so that it is fixed to the helmet. And once this part is fixed to the helmet, you can maybe attach this camera like this. I can show you that how we do that. So until then, it's bye from Karthik. See you in the next video. So if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. See you guys.
Like பண்ணுங்க, share करो, comment ಮಾಡಿ, subscribe ಮಾಡಿ, ನಮ್ಮ channel Making Memories. Turn on the notifications for making memories. Like, share